Exercise 6.36 sum. A lift in a building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degree. 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to 30 degree. If the fountain is 30√3 feet from the entrance of the lift, from the entrance of the lift, find the speed of the lift which is descending is the question. Now students, look at in the diagram. Let this AD, this place is called as the garden. D is the position of fountain. And AB is the building, height of the building, that is 90 feet. On that AB, here I will mention this BC is the lift. The height of the lift I have taken is x feet. So the remaining part, this will come 90 minus x feet. So in the sum, according to the sum, it is given at the top of the lift, this is the lift, at the top of the lift, at the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degree. So here, from here to in the fountain, the angle of depression is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now, after 2 minutes later, what happens? The lift will always come up or down. After 2 minutes later, the lift is descending. Descending means கீழ இறங்கி போகுது. கீழ இறங்கும் பொழுது, suppose the lift இங்க இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கிறோம். அப்போ இதுதான் வந்து டாப், அந்த லிஃப்டோட டாப்புக்கு வந்துடுது. ஸோ அங்கிருந்து ஃபவுண்டனோட ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டெப்ரெஷன் வந்து that is given is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. And the distance between the building and the fountain is, it is given as a 30√3 feet. Here 30√3 feet. Here all of you look at here all the measurements are given in feet, not in centimeter or meter. The height of the building is 90 feet. The height of the lift is x feet. The distance between the building and the fountain is 30√3 feet. Here AC is equal to 90 minus x feet. From the top of the building, when the suppose the lift வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அதோட டாப்ல இருந்து ஃபவுண்டனை பார்த்தோம்னா angle of depression 60 degree. According to the transversal law, AD and this B lines are parallel. அப்போ இந்த லைன் வந்து transversal line. So this is a alternate angles are equal. So this will become 60 degree. Here also, இந்த Cங்கிற பாயிண்ட் என்ன பாயிண்ட், அந்த லிஃப்ட் வந்து 2 மினிட்ஸ்ல மேல இருந்து கீழே இறங்கி வரும்போது அந்த லிஃப்டோட டாப் பார்ட் அங்க இருந்து ஃபவுண்டனை பார்க்கும்போது that is the angle of depression is 30 degree. So here angle of depression is 30 degree. Here we have to mention. So now we have to go to the sum. Here I am going to mention. So now what is AB? AB is the building. AB is the building with the lift. The building la lift வந்து ஒரு part. What is the D? It is the fountain in the garden. So now what is the AD? The distance AD is distance between the building of the lift and the fountain, that is 30√3 feet. FT means feet. What is the height of the building? That is AB. AB is the height of the building. AB is equal to 90 feet. AB is equal to 90 feet. The Cங்கிற பாயிண்ட் என்ன பாயிண்ட், ஆஃப்டர் 2 மினிட்ஸ் 2 நிமிடங்களுக்கு அப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர் 2 மினிட்ஸ் லிஃப்ட் வந்து மேல இருந்து கீழே இறங்கி வருது. அப்போ என்ன ஆயிருதுன்னா இந்த Cங்கிற பாயிண்ட் வந்து லிஃப்டோட டாப் போர்ஷன் ஆயிரும். அப்போ அங்க இருந்து ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் டிப்ரெஷன் வந்து 30 டிகிரி. ஸோ the AC is equal to, already AB is 90 degree, this is x feet. So 90 minus x feet. AC is equal to 90 minus x feet. So these are the measurements I have taken. The distance between the building and the fountain is given 30√3 feet. The angle of depression in at the initial stage and the final stage was given. Now what is the question they are asking? They are asking what is the speed of the lift. We know the formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Here time is given. Time is equal to 2 seconds. Okay. So what is the distance? The distance is nothing but the height of the, இது இங்கிருந்து இங்கே இறங்கி வரும்பொழுது எவ்வளவு distance வருதோ அதுதான், that is the height of the lift. Height of the lift is the distance. That x we have to find. x நம்ம find out பண்ணிட்டு speed வந்து நம்ம calculate பண்ணணும். So now what we have to do? Now I am going to take in a right triangle ACD. In a right triangle ACD, tan theta is equal to, the formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the here the theta value? Theta is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is AC. Adjacent side is AD. So AC divided by AD. Now tan 30 degree is equal to, what is the AC value is 90 minus x. The AD value is 30 root 3 feet. Now what is the tan 30 degree value? That is the 1 by square root of 3 is equal to 90 minus x divided by 30 root 3. Here you observe the 1 root 3, here also 1 root 3 cancel. So here by cross multiplication 30 will come here. 30 is equal to 90 minus x. Now again I am rearranging. Here when the minus x comes to left side, it will become positive x. Now 90 minus 30. Therefore x is equal to, 90 minus 30 is equal to 60 feet. X is equal to 60 feet. Now what is this x is equal to 60 feet? After 2 seconds, the distance traveled by the lift is called as the 60 feet. That is the distance. Distance is equal to distance traveled by lift after 2 seconds. 2 seconds, second is the time. 2 seconds is, that is x is equal to 60 feet. Now time is 2 seconds. Now we have to find the speed of the lift. Therefore the formula speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance is nothing but 60 feet. 60 feet and the time is 2 seconds. After cancellation 1 2s are 2, 30 2s are 60. I am getting 30 feet per minute. Therefore speed is equal to 30 feet per minute is the final answer.